you don't, let's say you have only 1 year of relevant work experience. Okay, now in 2017 you will be adding 3 more a year, and in 2017 you have 4 years of work experience. Now you apply for charter in 2017. Okay, then you will be able to get the charter. Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, so it's not required that you have work experience before it, you can be after also. Okay, any more question? Okay, so let's move to the next slide, which we will be seeing, and it is the course structure. So we'll understand the course structure that you have for the various topics in level 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now you will find that the institute has one topic which is known as ethical and professional standard. So there are 10 topics in total in level 1. Okay, this is a topic which is like, what they are saying is how the business standards are working, professional standard, what is ethical, what is not ethical. Okay, and this is present across all the levels, and the weightage is typically high. Level 1 it is 15%, level 2 10%, level 3 10%. So this is very important, and institute gives a lot of importance to this. Okay, what I would say is that from the examination passing perspective, there's no minimum cutoff in any of these topic areas except this. Okay, you need to score a minimum of 50% marks. Okay, I would say that it's also not necessarily that means like 50% you should be able to score to pass this examination. Okay, now what happens is like how this weightage is being decided. If you see that morning examination, we have said that total marks is 120 question are coming. That means out of ethical professional standard you will be getting 18 question in the examination. So 18 questions will be coming from the ethical and professional in the morning, and 18 will be in the afternoon. So that is how they have said that. So 15%, so whatever percentage they have given over here, this is sure, this is what they are abiding. However, if you see the quantitative, they have given 12% weight. Now 12% of 122 is 14.4. So you will see that the questions will be only 14 in the examination. So the percentage is slightly lesser. In fact, you can say that it is 11.67, like that. Okay. Now ethical and professional standard is present across all the levels, and this is an important one. Then you have quantitative methods. The focus in quantitative methods is that you are able to understand compounding, discounting. You are able to understand the differences that you have in the various yield measures. Okay, so this is very important topics. As you can see that it's like weightage is very high in level 1 and level 2 both, right? Now what I would say is these quantitative methods, the other things that you are seeing, economics, quantitative methods, financial reporting, corporate finance, these 4 are known as your investment tools. Okay, so these are known as your investment tools, and you will find that these are present in your level 1 and in level 2, but they are not present in level 3. So you can see that in level 3 they have weightage of 0. So that is what I said, that these are foundation. So in level 1 the focus is on investment tools. The total topic weight is 50% in level 1. Okay, the idea is that you should become very thorough in investment tools, because this you will be using when you are covering equity analysis, fixed income, derivatives and alternative investment analysis. A foundation in this is required to become proficient in this. Okay, now then if you see asset valuation is present across all the 3 levels. Okay, in the level 1 it is very less, around 30%. Okay, level 2 it's very high. So the highest portion is devoted to the asset valuation in level 2. Okay, level 3 also it is present, but in level 3 the mostly it is present from the risk management, portfolio management point of view. Okay, so asset valuation, you get the peakness in level 2. That is why the level 2 is called as the asset valuation. Okay, then you have portfolio management. You can see that portfolio management starts with only 5% in level 1. Then in level 2 the weightage increases, but see the weightage in level 3. Okay, because portfolio management is what you most of the people will be doing after completion of this course, the weightage becomes very high in level 3. 50% of the weightage is on portfolio management in level 3. Okay, so that is what we say is foundation, valuation, application. Okay, and these are the weightages that you have: 50% foundation, more than 50% in the valuation in level 2, 50% of portfolio management in level 3. Okay, now if you see the quantitative methods, the topics you will be seeing, okay, are basically time value of money, discounted cash flow application, then you have statistics, probability distribution. Okay, so idea is that with these tools, and you have technical analysis also there in quantitative methods, this will help you in understanding how the how the equity valuation works, how the fixed income valuation works. Okay, then you have a topic in economics. Economics will give you a concept of supply and demand, microeconomics. Then you will also get to understand the macroeconomy. So you will get micro, then you will get macroeconomics, and then the third topic which you have is the forex. So here like the idea starts the international part. So you will be getting to know about the forex also in the level 1. Okay, how the forex work, how the US dollar Indian rupee rate is changing, what are the factors on which this all depend on. Okay, then you have financial reporting and analysis. This is what you can say, many people say is accounting. I differ. Do not say this as accounting, because this is not about accounting. You can say that lots of things are accounting, but the focus what CFA has is on analysis. That is, you have the accounts, okay, you need to understand what are the firms reporting, okay, and you have to analyze from that. So the work of analyst starts after the work of accountants become over. So accountants, they have created the financial reports. Okay, so the company would be publishing these financial reports. So as a result, you have to understand these financial reports which are being published by the company. You have to analyze, because if you are not able to analyze it properly, you will not be able to value the companies properly. So you will not be able to do a valuation for equity, neither for fixed income, because when you are doing a analysis as credit rater, so you have to understand the financial reporting of the company. Okay. Now what happens is the examination, it has, as I know, as I've told, like it's 120 questions. Okay, now depending on topic wise, so if you see like in ethical and professional standard, most of the questions are theoretical. Okay, but I would say that in CFA I will not say theoretical, but it is analytical type of question. So we can do a breakup. I can say that most of the question, maybe around 50% of the questions you will see in the examination would be analytical based. That means you are not required to do any calculation, but you are required to do an analysis. Okay, then theoretical question, you can say that around 20% of the questions would be theoretical in nature. Okay, then I would say that around 30% of the questions would be related to problem solving. So there you are required to solve some or the other problems. So this is the this is not, I would say that this is exact, but I would say somewhere around this. Okay, so in a paper of 120, around 30 to 40 question you can expect to solve the problems. But the best part is like you have calculator in the examination. Calculator is allowed, the financial calculators, so the calculation becomes simpler when you are using the calculator. Okay, but these